Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about NZXT CRFT 11 H510i Rivals. So friends, this case is based on rivalry between Deku and Bakugo, and friends, this is the second My Hero Academia entry into NZXT CRFT line, and 80% of the population is granted superpowers but in non-Quirks. And friends, if I talk about features, it features the classic rivalry displaying two unique sides of Deku and Bakugo with beautiful artwork inside and out, and features a unique plus ultra perk and powerful charm adorning the case. And the charm is two-sided and features Midoriya's mask on the one side and Bakugo's grenadier pressure on the other. And friend, pre-install RGB LED strip, customize and control the lighting in the build to complement Deku and Bakugo, any peripherals and your gaming space. And friend, built-in GPU mounting bracket, place your GPU vertically or horizontally with the built-in mounting bracket and get the fine details of the built-in detail in. And fan included RGB and fan controller control, 2 NZXT RGB lighting channels and 3 fan channels that support either voltage regulated or PWM fans via NZXT. And if I talk about the pricing, it is priced at $249.99 USD. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.